Ho ho ho, everyone!
I'm sorry, but this is my favorite time of the year. It's Christmas time! And New Year's, that's coming up too. So much snow has fallen, and almost all the people in our town have decorated their houses to show their Christmas spirit. Putting up the Christmas tree, and they've bought gifts for their families and friends. Sweet! Our heroes, TJ, Minnie, Woody, and Sally have been preparing for a Christmas race for such a long time. Although today, it looks like they have their first training on this snow-covered track. Let's see how they can deal with it. And now you, Minnie. Sally, show us some of the new tricks that you've gotten ready for the Christmas race. TJ, it's your turn. Woody, show us what you've prepared. How awesome it feels to ride on a track just covered in snow. Friends, it's a tradition to give gifts to each other on Christmas Eve. Isn't that right? Sally, TJ, Minnie, and Woody are no exception. Your gifts are waiting for you in the town square, underneath the big tree. Let's get over there right now. Remember how we were looking for a Christmas tree and how we decorated it? I love Christmas so much. It is my favorite holiday for all the food, family, friends, presents, all the memories it gives me. It's just the best. Do you love Christmas too? It's time for everybody's favorite part. It's time to open your presents. Why don't we start with Sally? This is your gift. Wow! It's a brand new bumper! Let's try it out. Oh, it's so cool. And what do we have here? Minnie, here's some new wheels just for you. Wait! They look great! TJ, now this one I know that you really need. You need a new engine. And here it is, special made just for you. Oh, Christmas is the best. Woody? Oh, Woody, don't think we've forgotten about you. Here it is, your brand new suspension. Hooray! dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. Like this video with a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for spending your Christmas with me.